Good evening, everyone. Matt Troyce here, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make your very own almond flour. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell if you haven't already. I'll be releasing videos on the ketogenic lifestyle. As you may know, almond flour is quite expensive. If you look at the ingredients, the only thing that's in there is, you guessed it, almonds. So what do you have to do with these almonds is grind them up. Now there's two ways to do this. One way is to make almond meal, where you keep the skins of the almonds intact and all you do is blend them very finely, and it keeps the skins just like so. But there's another way to do it, where you boil the almonds, also known as blanched almonds. You boil them, you let them dry, and then the skin will be able to be removed. And then you'll have your very own blanched almond flour with literally less than half of the cost, maybe even a quarter of the cost of what almond flour costs in the store. All right, let's get going. Almond meal is very simple to make. You just take a handful, put it into your blender, and we're just going to blend it. And as you can see here, this is almond meal. So they sell this at Trader Joe's. It's about half of the price for almond flour. So this is almond meal right here. Now this is the same stuff you would get at like a Trader Joe's if you want blanched almond flour. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Now the rest of these almonds I'm going to transfer into a pot, and we're going to boil them. So now I'm going to take it off the stove and strain them. Now look at this. The skin comes right off. Look at that. That's a blanched almond. The base for our blanched almond flour. Look at that. So the skins come right off. There you have it. Blanched almonds. The only thing we have to do now is let them dry. They have to be completely dry. Otherwise you may have some consistency as almond butter, which is not bad, but we're trying to make almond flour. Just lay them out evenly. Alright, I have them spread out fairly evenly. So let them dry for at least an hour, because you need these almonds to be dry. Only one more step to go, and we'll have blanched almond flour, and that's to put these in the blender and just blend them very finely. Alright, we're going to put these blanched almonds into the blender and blend it up. And there you have it, everybody. Almond flour. Blanched almond flour, that is. And as you could see, almond meal with these skins, which you could definitely use for breads and desserts as well. But this is the more popular one, the blanched almond flour without the skins. right here. Same consistency as what you buy at the store. As you can see, this is almond flour. Now we're in business. We can make keto desserts, keto bread. Hey, the possibilities are endless. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you all be safe and be well. Matt Troy signing out.